take a new pattern sheet and place the front pattern on it. Step 1. Mark 1.5 inches from point 14 and name it as 14A. Step 2. Mark 1.5 inches from point 15 and name it as 15A. Step 3. Calculate 1/16 of seat circumference and mark it as 5B from 5. Step 4. Mark 1.5 inch inside from point 8 and 1.5 inches above from that point. This will be 8A. Step 5. Mark a point 1.5 inches above point 8. This can be used for waist alterations. Step 6. Draw a line from point 8A to point 10 of the front pattern, extending to the point above point 8. Step 7. Point 10A will be the measure of 1/4 of the waist plus 1.5 inches from the point 8A. Step 8. Connect points 14A and 15A and shape between 15A and 5B. Step 9. Take a notcher and punch a point 1/2 inch below point 6. In the back chart, mark that punch point as 5C and connect it with 5B. Step 10. Connect points 5C and 8A. Step 11. Shape the crotch point. Step 12. Shape the side seam line from point 10A to point 3 and trace the pattern to the end. Back pocket. Step 13. Draw a line 3.5 inches below the line 8A to 10A. The point of intersection between this line and the side seam line will be 10B. Step 14. Mark 2.5 inches inside from 10B and name it as Roman number 1. Step 15. Point Roman number 2 will be 1/8 of the seat circumference measure from point Roman number 1. This will be for the back pocket opening. Step 16. Point Roman number 3 will be the midpoint of points Roman number 1 and Roman number 2. Step 17. Draw a vertical line from point Roman number 3 touching the 8A to 10A line. The intersection will be point Roman number 4. Step 18. Mark 1/2 inch on either side of point Roman number 4 and connect the points with point Roman number 3. Step 19. Start cutting from point 10A crossing 8A. Cut from the point above 8, allowing 1/2 inch seam allowance. This cut should be parallel to the crotch shape. Waistband. Step 1. There are 2 pieces to a waistband. For the first piece, from the corner, mark 1.5 inches from point 0. This will be point 1. Step 2. Calculate 1/2 of the waist circumference and add 7.5 inches for folding purpose. From point 0, take this measurement and mark point 2. Step 3. Same as 0 to 1, mark 2 to 3. Step 4. 3 to 1 will be same as 0 to 2, giving a rectangle-like shape. Step 5. For the second piece, Mark 1.5 inches from point 0 and name it as point 1. Step 6. Calculate 1/2 of the waist circumference and add 3 inches extra for fold. Step 7. Point 3 will be 1.5 inches from point 2 and 3 to 1 will be the same as 0 to 2. Pocket bag front. Step 1. From point 0, mark 12.5 inches for pocket bag and name it as point 1. This will be the on-fold area. Step 2. From point 0, mark 7 inches to the side and name it as point 2. Step 3. The distance between point 1 to 3 will be the same as 0 to 2 and 2 to 3 will be the same as 0 to 1. Step 4. Using free hands, draw a curve somewhere above 2 to a point below 2.